In 2007, I was sitting in the bullpen at the World Championships in Long Beach, California, wearing this soaked 100% cotton Jiu-Jitsu Gi. It felt heavy, cold, stuck to me like a wet t-shirt. And it was in that moment I thought, why has no one built a better Jiu-Jitsu Gi? I wanted to change everything, the weave, the fiber, the blend, the construction of the jacket, the construction of the pants. To me, everything was wrong for a sport that demands the participant to be contortionist, athlete, and grappler. Over the past 15 years, we've developed multiple performance fabrics: American Pearl Weave, Dragon Weave, Gorilla Weave, Nano Pearl, and most recently, Atomic Stretch in our most innovative textile, the Raptor Weave, which is featured in this Rift Gi. Let's get into it. A standard Gi jacket is cut from one piece of cloth and sewn together with two seams. But the Rift is cut with our proprietary spiral wrap pattern. Now, let's talk about the human body. It's both symmetrical and it's three-dimensional. And the Rift features panels that echo your torso's shape while spiraling around your back and spine. And on the Rift, the back panel flanks your lower back, curving around your backside, and really shapes to the human form. Over here, I have a lacrosse ball and a dog Kong. Now, these two things represent the three-dimensional human form. If I take a piece of paper, which would be your standard Gi jacket, it's cut out of one piece of fabric, and I try to wrap it around the human form, you can see it doesn't quite lay flat. There's bunching, there's excess material, and you can take some of that away with good patterns. But if you take the paper and you strip it out and you wrap this around the form, you can see how it lies flat. And if you do this with multiple panels, you can map the garment to your body. And that's exactly what the Rift is. It's made with multiple panels that wrap to the human form, spiraling symmetrically around your body. The garment needs to move and work while you're in motion. And the great thing about the Raptor Weave is it also wicks moisture away from your body, transporting it along these micro channels created by the Raptor scales, shedding that moisture off your body. The Rift also features Origin's Prolex Pants. There's no Lycra or spandex in these pants, but we wove in what we call mechanical stretch. Across your seat and thighs, there's just enough extra movement in dynamic positions where the textile won't restrict your movement. And like our Rift jacket, our Prolex Pants will wick the moisture away from your body, keeping you dry and ready for 10 rounds or more. Now, the Rift only exists because of an obsession for Jiu-Jitsu. It's built for training day after day, long, hard sessions. It's designed to elevate your game and work with you, not against you. And the friction-free design frees your body from the mat, even when you're sweating and sticky, even when the pressure is on. Origin was born on the ground. We are Jiu-Jitsu, and we've grown over the years. But everything we've built was born from that original Gi we designed in the woods of Maine. In that timber frame factory, that's where we tested the resolve of the textiles and the construction techniques. And through our love of Jiu-Jitsu, we're breathing life back into the dream. And this Rift, it's the pinnacle of everything we've learned. This is the Rift Jiu-Jitsu Gi, built by freedom for freedom on the mats.